Hello everyone, my name is Shubham and this is my website called Drip the Kicks. So Drip the Kicks is basically a go-to online space for sneaker lovers worldwide. It is where enthusiasts of all levels gather to share their passions, stories and collections in a welcoming community focused on celebrating the art and culture of sneakers. So my main goal for Drip the Kicks website is to make a cool online place where everyone can gather and show their love for sneakers and hang out together. So they can buy and sell their sneakers, they can also review a lot of sneakers and they have a lot of facilities which are available in Drip the Kicks. So talking about the website, so it's called Drip the Kicks. You can see the logo on the top left corner. And talking about the font, I've used Montserrat and Arial, which give off a modern and clean vibe. Talking about the color palette, I have used black, red, and white. So basically, they have a meaningful reason. Red symbolizes energy, passion, and determination, while black sends out sense of sophistication and luxury. And white gives out a good canvas so that the red and black stands out on this white canvas. Talking about the website, we have Top Nav, which has home, history, trends, buy and sell, and review page. And on the navigation links for throughout the page, we have trends, about, and services. So in the home page, let's check out the home page. First, if you hover here, you can see a slogan that says, "Good shoes take you good places." Moving on to the next part, which is the slideshow. So you can change the slideshow so you can have the trending sneakers of the day and the last page as well. And you can come back to the first image as well. Moving on, we have trends of the day, which is collapsible. So if you click on it, it gives you the trends of the day, a good text about how we choose the trends of the day. Also talking about this, we have this fixed mark over here which says follow us on Instagram. So if you click on this, you can go directly to the Instagram of Drip the Kicks. Moving on to the trends of the day, we have this four trend of the day. So I've added a hover transition over it. So once you hover over this, you can see the name of the shoes and you can see a direct buy now button option. Similar for all the four photos. So if you click on this photo, it takes you directly to the page from where you can buy it. Moving on back to the website, we have this four photos from where you can buy, or if you click, you can go directly to the website. Then we have a slideshow over here, right and left of the About Us, where you can see the changes in the photos with the slideshow. And there's a good text about us that is about the Drip the Kicks. Then we have services we provide with a list of bullet points. So these are services provided by Drip the Kicks. I've also added a transition from right to left, which we can see here. Then in the footer section, we have the contact us, and these are all the social media handles through which you can contact the Kicks. Simply by clicking on this, you can open the mail page. On this, you can go directly to the Drip the Kicks Instagram page and similarly the Facebook page. Moving on to the second page, which is history. You can see a video about the history of the sneakers. You can see the text, and this is the first ever sneaker. I've added a flex which brings the header, paragraph, and photo in the same line. Then you can see the evolution of sneakers. So this is the evolution of sneakers throughout. I've posted a big photo which gives you a history of sneakers and how it has been uh, revolutionized throughout the years. Then talking about the 5 reasons why sneakers got popular, I have given options on which if you click, you can see that there are different reasons why the sneakers got popular. Moving on to the third page, which is the trends. If you check out the trends, you can see that these are the bestseller shoes of 2023. I've added a table which gives the serial number, name, feature, looks, and resale value for the following sneakers. So I've added a multiple difference in the table that is red and white, so it gives a nice charming look to the whole table. Moving on to the fourth, then I've added a search button from where you can search your favorite sneaker, and you can go directly to it. Now moving on to the fourth page, which is buy and sell, from where you can buy and sell sneakers. I've added a video on the background of this text so that it pops out. So here I've added two buttons. So if you click on buy now, it takes you directly to the sneaker option from where you can buy and directly click on it and you can buy these sneakers. Similarly, if you click on sell now, it tells you how to sell and a step-by-step representation of how you can sell your sneakers. I've also added a slideshow on the left of the how to sell option. Moving on to the last page, which is the review section. If you click on review, you can see that there is a transition of review for the following. Similarly, I've added a collapsible which gives an idea of the reviews throughout. Then I have added an interactive thing where you can just select it and you can write any of your review and you can just submit it to us. Similarly, for the top nav, if you click on it, it takes you directly to the trends. Services, if you click, it takes directly to the services. If you're on any other page, if you click on the logo, it takes you back to the home page. Now, talking about the most difficult part which I faced during building up this website was the hover transition. So if we go into the code and if we check that here is my hover transition. So basically for the responsive designs, so this responsive design is for the gallery that I have created, and in the style C section I've added, here we can see the gallery. I've added hover image, so whenever we hover over the image it gives a different shade. Similarly the button now I've added for the hover, so whenever we hover over this we can see a button and the name popping with opacity being reduced and the background is changed to grayish, so it gives a nice clean look. The second difficult part, which was building up the these 5 reasons why sneaker got popular. So for this I've taken the reference from a website and made few changes in it. So talking about it, it's in the history. So moving on to the history of HTML, we can check it out here that I've added a tab container in which to the Fafa folders I have added this following data. So using this following data and making the style changes in the CSS files, you can check here whenever we select an option, the option pops out. And most difficult part was putting a video behind it, behind the text, which is in the buy and sell section. So in the buy and sell section, we can see that here we have put the buy sell video, and in the CSS we have added a relative position as relative and text container position as absolute, which gives a nice look. And also I've added a flex to buy and sell button which pops up on the video. And one more difficult part was to bring out these transitions for the review, which we can see here in reviews. So in the reviews we can check out that these are the images, and in the review CSS we can see that after hovering we have the following data which comes popped up. So yeah, this is my website and these were the problems that were faced. So the major reason for building the website is to create a friendly and supportive space where everyone can enjoy their love for sneakers. Thank you.